I am here with Brody Jakeway. Just got off the mat, right?
Yeah.
How'd that match end?
Good. I ended up pinning him.
Okay. And you wrestled for Liberty Center?
Yes.
Great D3 school. All right. That's division in high school. Tell me about why you like to wrestle.
Well, ever since I got on the mat, my first match, I pinned the guy. Well, it wasn't really my first year. I just went to one tournament.
Okay.
And I pinned him.
And that felt good?
Yeah, I ended up getting third in that tournament.
Okay. So how many years have you been wrestling?
2.
2 years and you're already at the state tournament. That's pretty impressive. So, real quick, favorite takedown?
Double leg.
All right, favorite move on top?
What?
What's your favorite move when you're on top in referee's position? How do you get a turn? Half?
Half,
Yeah? All right.
Or
That's
arm
or what?
Or armbar.
Arm bar. There you go. All right, and then what's your go-to move to get out from bottom?
Knee slide.
Knee slide? All right, good. All right, so this is your first year at state, and what did you think about coming out of that tunnel?
It was really cool.
Yeah? Awesome, man. Hey, thank you for the time. Keep on pinning people, all right?
Yeah.
You keep doing that, you're going to have a great tournament. And thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Good luck.